All right, question 21. Solve each of the following inequalities here. Okay, so x squared minus 7x plus 10 is greater than 0. Now, before I can answer where it's greater than 0, I have to know where it equals 0. And so I'm looking for factors of 10 that add to negative 7. Well, it's got to be negative 2, negative 5. So my two places on along this function here where it's equal to 0 will be at 2 and 5. So now I take a look at my number line. Okay, and I'm going to end up answering this in a slightly different form, but I'm going to start with my number line here because I think the number line helps out a bit here. This is a parabola that opens up. So it's going to look something like this. I'm going to put open circles around the 2 and the 5. I am looking for where this parabola is greater than 0, is above 0. It's above the x-axis. Now, for a parabola that opens up, that is typically going to be the part outside or to the left of the 2 here, and then to the right of the 5. So it's going to look like this. I'm not including the 2 and the 5 because the original function doesn't include the 0. Because remember, this where x is equal to 2, that's when that whole thing equals 0. Okay, so that for that specific value of x there for 2 and 5, that's where the function equals 0. So now, to write the answer in a form that's not on the number line, probably the easiest thing to do is to bring the 2 down and the 5 down. And I'm just going to put x's where the arrows are. So x and x. And then I'm just going to put less than symbols in between. Because any value of x out here will be less than that 2. And then 5 will be less than any value of x out there. And I can either put a comma there or a union. And those are the two branches of the solution to this problem.